In this video, I want to demonstrate how to mate this handle to this screw. So the holes will be concentric. So I'm going to select this hole. Then I'm going to hold control and come over here and select this hole. Release control and I'll add the concentric mate. I don't want to lock the rotation and the alignment's proper, so I'm not going to flip it. The next mate I should have is something that will hold this in the center of this. So I'm going to examine the planes in this part, and I can see my right plane is in the middle, and it's a plane I'd like to mate to the middle of this part. So I'm going to come back to my feature tree and expand this part, and now I'm going to look at its planes. And here I can see the right plane as well goes through the part properly. So now I'm going to hold control and select this right plane, release control, and I'm going to make these two planes coincident. Just going to click in white space and right click and collapse these items. So I can see a couple of issues here. One is there's interference. I need to redesign either this part or both. And next I want to look at how it behaves. So if I rotate it, it rotates through, and that's probably not a good thing. I want this to behave as it would in the real world. So I'm going to need to limit the angle here. Probably the angle between this face and this face, but I need a limit angle mate so it can only go from side to side as it would in the real world. I'm going to put this back in the isometric view and save it, and we'll continue from there in the next video.